Hello all, welcome to the third video in the RPA video series. In this video, we are going to look upon how to add an Excel file to the control room and then access the Excel file and to display the contents of the Excel file using a message box. Welcome. So, as you can see here, this is the community edition. Okay. So, first of all, using these options, you can add any other components to the control room. So, this is an option which we have already seen, create a bot, and these are some other options, create a form, create a process, and there is another option, upload files. Okay, so if you click here, so it will show you to add files. So add your file. Okay, so add an example file which is I am using demo data. Okay, so open, so upload. Okay, so you have a file here, demo data .xls, which is uploaded now. Okay, the next step is to create a bot. So create a bot. So RPA Excel demo YouTube 01. Okay, so I'm creating a name for the Excel for the bot. Okay, so now the list shows there are two options here, start and end. The other option, flow, shows here the same bot in another fashion. So the first thing which you have to add is you have to search for Excel Advanced, and you can see here various options using Excel Advanced. Okay, so append worksheet, append workbook, access password protected files. Okay, close, create workbook. From this, you have to open the worksheet. Okay, so Excel Advanced open. So in this you have three options here: control room file, desktop file, or variable. Okay, so here you have already loaded the file into the control room, so you can browse and you can choose the file. Okay, so sheet contains a header. If the sheet contains a header, you can check here. If you want to open a specific sheet, you can check here and give the specific sheet name. Now, okay, so I am now unchecking because I have to access all the specific sheets, all the sheets in the Excel. So whether it is read only, read write mode, I have the Excel in read write mode. Okay, so now the local session. So type any one session name. So I am giving Excel demo 1. Okay, so now save it. And then the next thing is you have to access all the rows in the Excel sheet. So I am going for loop. So I am putting a loop here. Okay, so from the loop options you can see here loop for n times. Okay, so now you have to change this for an Excel Advanced. So you can see various options: CV, CSV, TXT, data table, access a database, dictionary, email, Now you have to choose Excel Advanced. Loop through all rows. You can change this to loop through specific rows, specific cell range. Okay, so I'm looping through all the rows. So read visible text. Okay, so you can see here 50% will be read as 50%. If you choose this, 50% will be read as 50. Okay, so now I'm choosing this. So session name, the same session name which I gave here. Okay, so you can copy and paste. Okay, so now this option is very important. So in record, this you have to create a variable of which stores the values of the row. Okay, so that is stored in the form of record. So you cannot choose from here. You can only change the name. Now you create and select. Okay, now you save this, and finally the message box. So okay, so you drag and drop the message box. So from here you can choose the variable Excel row. So by index, by name. So I'm choosing by index. I will display the first value of each row. Okay, yes, so next I'm closing the Excel sheet. Now once again I go for Excel Advanced. Okay, I should close the Excel sheet. Okay, so same again, the session name, the same session name which I gave in loop and the Excel Advanced, the same session name I should provide here. Okay, so as you can see here, the loop message box is outside of the loop. So from the list you can see here, loop, in loop there is no action here. The message box is outside of the loop. Okay, so which means that the loop will be running and the final the first element of the final row will be displayed. We'll check it. So it's deploying to your computer, showing. So you can see here action, so it has opened. So these are the values. Loop command starts. So you can see here the first value of the fourth row. So I have only one sheet and there is only 4 rows. The first element of the fourth row is displayed here. Okay, when I close it, so the bot closes the Excel sheet. So now you can imagine, now you can guess, if I have to display the first element of each row, what should I do? Okay, so now I should put the message box inside the loop. Okay, so we'll try that. Okay, so I am dragging this message box into the loop. So now I save it. And I run it. So spreadsheet will be open. Yes, first value of the first row 23 is displayed. When I close this, again 34 will be is displayed. Again when I close this, 45 is displayed, and again when I close this, 67 is displayed. Okay, so when I close this, so finally action is complete, and bot is getting terminated. Okay, your bot has run successfully. So this is how you should import an Excel to the control room and access all the rows and extract the elements or the contents in the row and see what are the contents. I hope you would have liked this video. Thank you.